What if Samsung finally fixes the biggest problem with smartwatches? Not by adding a bigger battery, but by making everything more efficient. We're not just talking about small improvements. This could be a major shift in performance, battery life, and even how the watch uses AI. So let's quickly break down what's actually coming and why this upgrade might matter more than you think. Expected price and launch date. In terms of launch, the Galaxy Watch 9 is expected around July 2026, alongside Samsung's Unpacked event. Pricing is likely to stay similar, starting around $299 to $329 depending on the model. So Samsung isn't changing the price much, but focusing more on improving the experience. Main upgrade, new 3nm chip. The biggest upgrade is the new Snapdragon Wear Elite chip, built on a 3nm process. Now this is important. Instead of just boosting raw power, this chip focuses on efficiency, which could improve battery life by up to 30% in real-world use. That means smoother performance, faster app loading, and more reliable daily usage, without needing a bigger battery. This is something Samsung users have been asking for, and it finally looks like it's happening. Battery life, real improvement. Now here's what's interesting. Leaks suggest the battery size might stay similar, around 435 mAh on the 44mm model, but because of the new chip, battery life could feel significantly better. So instead of chasing bigger batteries, Samsung is focusing on smarter power management. This could finally push the watch closer to a true multi-day experience, especially for normal use. AI health tracking. Another major focus is AI-powered health tracking. Instead of just showing data, the watch could analyze your patterns and give smarter insights, like recovery suggestions, sleep improvements, and even early health warnings. Samsung is also expected to improve its bioactive sensors, making heart rate and sleep tracking more accurate. This is where the watch starts to feel more like a personal health assistant, not just a tracker. Extra features not everyone talking about. Now here's something many people are missing. Leaks also mention UWB connectivity, which could improve device tracking, smart home control, and even future ecosystem features. Along with that, deeper integration with Samsung devices is expected, making the watch more connected than before. Final verdict. So is this a big upgrade? Honestly, yes, but not in the way you might expect. This isn't about flashy new features, it's about fixing the core experience. Better performance, smarter battery usage, and more useful health insights. And if Samsung delivers on these improvements, the Galaxy Watch 9 could feel much more reliable in everyday use. And if you want the latest smartwatch leaks, comparisons, and honest reviews, make sure you stay tuned to SmartWatch Radar.